The iPhone 15 is one of the best phones around based on our testing. After all, we called it the best iPhone value in our review. You get excellent performance from the main camera, a brighter display, and very good battery life from a compact handset. But as we get closer to the launch of the iPhone 16 in September, there's some pretty big reasons to wait for the new iPhone. And I'm not just talking about hardware rumors. Here's why you should press pause on an iPhone 15 purchase and get the iPhone 16 instead. The good news is that iOS 18 is coming to the iPhone 15, bringing features like the customizable home screen and control center, the redesigned Photos app, and lots of messages upgrades. The bad news is that you won't be able to experience Apple's AI features, which is called Apple Intelligence. The assumption is that the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus will have a powerful enough chip inside to support Apple Intelligence, and that you won't need the iPhone 16 Pro or iPhone 16 Pro Max. The iPhone 16 is tipped for a number of design upgrades, starting with a new capture button that will likely be used for capturing photos and videos on the fly. This edition will apparently be made available across all 4 new iPhone 16 models. In addition, the iPhone 16 is expected to feature a vertical camera design, which will allow the phone to capture spatial videos. That means you'll be able to watch the video back in compatible headsets like the Apple Vision Pro and MetaQuest 3. iPhone 16 display changes. According to multiple sources, the iPhone 16 Pro Max will increase in size, potentially making it Apple's biggest iPhone ever. The device will measure in at 6.9 inches, up from 6.7, and is expected to be taller and wider than last year's iPhone 15 Pro Max. While thickness will remain the same, the weight will increase slightly due to the larger size. If accurate, it would be the first iPhone size increase since the iPhone 12 series, but it would also be another blow to those users who prefer a smaller handset. New A18 chip. The A16 Bionic chip on the iPhone 15 is plenty fast, but it's starting to show its age, and not just because it can't support Apple Intelligence features. The Samsung Galaxy S24 and all the best Android phones have overtaken the iPhone on some performance tests with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, and Apple needs to respond. Rumor has it is that all 4 iPhone 16 models will leverage the same A18 chip, but my money is on a Pro variant for the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. As you might expect, the A18 chip is tipped to boast a more powerful neural engine with extra cores, so you should be able to get even better performance on locally run AI tasks. Bigger camera. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to feature a more advanced main camera that is 12% bigger, featuring a customized 48-megapixel Sony IMX 903 sensor with a stacked design for better performance, a 14-bit analog-to-digital converter for high-quality image data conversion, and digital gain control for better dynamic range and noise control. It is also said to include a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, up from the 12-megapixel lens on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Longer battery life. Apple will use battery cells with increased energy density, according to analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, which should offer longer battery life, perhaps even using the same battery size as that found in existing models. Early rumors have also suggested that both iPhone 16 Pro models will use stacked battery technology, which can result in higher capacity and a longer lifespan. According to another rumor, this year's iPhone 16 Pro Max will boast an even bigger 30-hour-plus battery life, compared to 29 hours for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Bigger storage capacity. According to one rumor out of Korea, Apple's forthcoming iPhone 16 Pro models will be available with a new 2 TB maximum storage, which would put them on par with the iPad Pro. The move is said to be a result of Apple's recently rumored switch to higher density quad-level cell NAND flash for higher storage models. Apple's use of QLC NAND could allow Apple to fit more storage into a smaller space, and it is less expensive than triple-level cell NAND, which current iPhones use. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content, and we'll see you in the next video.